The Canada jay, also known as the gray jay. The gray jay is a national bird of Canada.
Common kestrel.
The common kestrel is a small bird of prey. The common kestrel is a national bird of Belgium.
Common nightingale.
The common nightingale is a small passerine bird best known for its powerful and beautiful song. The common nightingale is the national bird of Croatia.
Green pheasant.
The green pheasant, also known as the Japanese green pheasant. The green pheasant is a national bird of Japan.
Lilac-breasted roller.
The lilac-breasted roller is an African bird of the roller family. The lilac-breasted roller is a national bird of Kenya.
Black-crowned cranes.
The black-crowned cranes are found in eastern Africa, cantered in Senegal and Gambia. Black-crowned crane is a national bird of Nigeria.
Bald eagle.
The bald eagle has been a national emblem of the United States.
Rufous horned arrow.
The rufous horned arrow occurs in eastern South America and is the national bird of Argentina and Uruguay.
Kiwi.
The kiwi is truly unique. The kiwi is a national bird of New Zealand.
Black-tailed godwits.
The black-tailed godwits are mostly occurs in Europe, Africa, South Asia. The black-tailed godwit is the national bird of Netherlands.
Blue crane.
The blue crane, also known as the paradise or Stanley crane, is the national bird of South Africa.
Mute swan.
The mute swan is a national bird of Denmark.
Andean condors.
The Andean condors are massive birds, among the largest in the world that are able to fly.
The Andean condor is national bird of Chile. Italian sparrow.
The Italian sparrow is a small chunky bird with gray and brown plumage. It is the national bird of Italy.
Falcon.
The falcon is the national bird of Qatar.
White stork.
The white stork is a large bird in the stork family. It is the national bird of Ukraine.
Robin.
The robin bird is a plump, small-billed bird. It is the national bird of UK. Federal eagle. The federal eagle is the national bird of Germany.
Kingfishers.
The kingfishers have large heads, long, sharp, pointed bills, short legs, and stubby tails. It is the national bird of Czech Republic.
Peacock.
The peacock is the national bird of India.
Emu.
The emu is flightless bird of Australia that is the second largest living bird. The emu, the national bird of Australia.